We finally have a converting Bumblebee! Gotta love these classic ROBOSEN foam cases. And here we go. Alright, so inside the box, of course, we have instructions, a coin, Bee's blaster, charger, and the man himself, Bumblebee. All right, look at that. It's a VW bug. I love the wheels. Looks like an actual bug. That's what I love about this. So the on switch is in the sunroof. Let's get that on.
Hiya, friend. Bumblebee here.
What's up, Bumblebee?
How's it going?
Good. It's going good. All right, so this is vehicle mode. Hey, Bumblebee.
How's it going?
Move forward. So this is why we're all here. Let's just cut to the chase. Let's get this guy to transform. Hey, Bumblebee.
How's it going?
Transform.
Bumblebee reporting for duty.
Let's go, Bumblebee. All right, so this is Bee in robot mode. He looks great. Now let's do some voice commands. Hey, Bumblebee, move forward.
Let's go.
Hey, Bumblebee,
How's it going?
turn left. It's not bad. He actually did turn left. All right, and then let's equip his blaster. Hey, Bumblebee,
How's it going?
open fire.
Prepare for battle. How's this?
So let's get him back to vehicle mode. Hey, Bumblebee,
How's it going?
transform.
Bumblebee reporting for duty.
Woo! I do like that they made the mirrors rubber because something like this would break. I had other RC cars with plastic mirrors and that's always the first thing to break. Light up headlights and light up taillights. So that's what it looks like under the sunroof. We get the Bluetooth button and we get the power button. Okay, so I'm going to convert him to the original ROBOSEN product, the Optimus Prime. As you can see, the sizes probably are not exact. I don't think a VW Bug is this big compared to Optimus. But for a flagship model, I think this is a great size by itself. I love the VW Bug and it's iconic. All right, so my goal here is I'm going to try to make these transform by themselves. You guys ready? Me too. Hey, Bumblebee.
How's it going?
Hey, Optimus Prime.
Greetings.
Transform. Transform.
Bumblebee reporting for duty.
Okay, let's get these guys side by side. This is the size difference. We have Bumblebee, who is a little bit shorter. This is closer to actual size or actual height maybe. Bumblebee might be a little bit bigger than he should be. But to get everything we get out of Bumblebee, I think this is perfect for now. This is back to back. The only major issue I would see is the size in vehicle mode. Like I said, I don't think a VW Bug is this big. All right, last time, I'm gonna try to get these guys to convert again. Hey, Optimus Prime.
Greetings.
Hey, Bumblebee.
How's it going?
Transform.
Bumblebee reporting for duty.
So that is it. This is the new Bumblebee from ROBOSEN. It is converting. I do plan on comparing him to the old Bumblebee so we can actually see how the difference is. If you're interested in Bumblebee, I do have him linked below. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great day. Shut down.
Autobot.